Hello my beautiful lovely Sherries and Glories, how are you today? So आज पता है हम क्या करने वाले हैं? Unboxing. I hope all of you are doing well. To be very honest, I'm really better than before. So basically I'm making this video today because I am going to do a lot of unboxing of packages that I ordered myself. Okay, so I have a Nykaa package, Amazon package. I have another Amazon package. Meanwhile, we do the unboxing. We are going to chit chat. Basically, I'm going to chit and you are going to chat. क्या हम तैयार हैं? तो yes, मैं तैयार हूँ. पहले basically मैं unbox करूँगी मेरी favorite Nykaa package. By the way, this is also a new scissor that I got for multiple purposes. I do ASMR, so उसमें भी ये scissors यूज़ होती हैं and unboxing में भी यूज़ होती हैं and ये बहुत handy रहती है because जो बड़ी scissors होती हैं कभी कभी you know वो कुछ ज़्यादा ही बड़ी हो जाती है. तो या मैं इसको अनबॉक्स कर लूँ. क्या आपको आवाज़ आ रही है? Alright guys, this is the package. I've ordered a lot of stuff basically. This is a new Plum ka face wash. This is their oat and ceramide variant guys. Oat and ceramide variant. रुको मैं focus करती हूँ. This is a new variant that they have come up with. Oat and ceramide. And oat वाले जो face washes होते हैं ना, they are very soothing and calming for your skin. तो इसमें oat and ceramides हैं, तो I will use it for both day and night and whenever I wash my face basically. ठीक है. तो yes, this is my new face wash which I'm gonna use. Let's see. तो पूरा bundle है, ठीक है. Let's see. Alright, this is my new shampoo from Plum. ठीक है. This is their hibiscus and ceramides long and healthy shampoo. Now पिछला variant मेरा blue color का था which was still available by the way, but I want to try this one, hibiscus and ceramides. This is again it's going to be a nice product I am assuming because the previous one was also very nice. So and it's quite affordable by the way. Plum के products are very affordable and good quality I would say. In my personal experience and my personal opinion, मुझे Plum के products बहुत अच्छे लगते हैं. And ये shampoo I will try and I will review. This is, I'll show you. One second. Plum, hibiscus and ceramide. The next product that we have, I got myself a new toner. This is from a brand called Nude. This is a brand that I had been wanting to try for a very long time. By very long time I mean is 1 year. Okay, एक साल से मैं इसके products देख रही हूँ and I have always been intrigued because you know ये जो new Indian brands basically आ रहे हैं ना, they're coming with really good quality products which actually in my personal opinion they actually do really like have the potential to compete with good international skincare brands. तो मुझे इसमें मैं हमेशा उन products को try करने का ट्राई करती हूँ जो मुझे लगते हैं कि उनमें potential होगा. Not that I have tried this even once, but मुझे थोड़ा potential लगा intuitively is that's why. Rehydrating and plumping face toner. This is a toner guys because मेरा previous toner जो है वो ख़त्म होने वाला है. इतना सा बचा, इतना सा. So that's why I ordered it क्योंकि tone it up 100 ml है and look at the packaging. Like it is a plastic bottle but so compact and travel friendly also, like you know, and also this cap and it is not cheap at all to be very honest. And this, how much does this cost? The Science of Milk. I think ये milk based product. So let's see. Let's just do it because मेरा face already washed है. So let's see what it does. Oh my god. Okay, इसमें fragrance तो है, but बहुत ही soothing fragrance है. Let's see. बहुत अच्छी फ्रेग्रेंस है, ठीक है। तो इफ़ यू आर समवन जो फ्रेग्रेंस फ्री यूज़ करता है, दिस माइट नॉट वर्क फॉर यू, यू नो। इफ़ समवन हैज़ नो प्रॉब्लम यूजिंग प्रोडक्ट्स विद माइल्ड फ्रेग्रेंस, आई थिंक दिस माइट वर्क फॉर यू। आई थिंक इससे इंस्टेंटली ना थोड़ा लाइक ये देखो यहाँ पे ना थोड़ी सी शाइन आई है। देखो अभी तो मैं कुछ नहीं बोल सकती इसके बारे में, आई विल हैव टू यूज़ इट, लाइक एटलीस्ट थोड़ा सा यूज़ करूँगी एंड देन आई विल सी how does it work. Baki, I'll just tell you what it says. Tone it up because this is my first time that I'm using this product. Throw some way into your skin for an instant boost of plump radiance and oil control. यार plump radiance तो मुझे दिख रही है, plumpy मतलब because radiance तो मुझे दिख रहा है, plump का I'm not sure क्योंकि मेरे cheeks already plump है. Throw some way into your skin for an instant boost of plump radiance and oil control with honey healing the pores and salicylic acid clearing up the acne, blackheads and whiteheads. Every spray of this refreshing toner helps minimize pores and lose impurities for youthful, high glaze skin, pore perfection, acne reduction, youth protection, skin elasticity boosting all skin types, the science of milk. Nude. Promises तो बहुत सारे हैं इसके. Let's see how it works and I will definitely review once I have used it far enough to show the product, to basically see the results. मेरे ख़त्म हो गए थे ये सब चीज़ें, so I got them. You know what? I got really nice stuff that I am very excited about. I am so excited I can't even tell you right now. फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल क्योंकि मैंने प्लम के काफ़ी प्रोडक्ट्स लिए थे तो उन्होंने मुझे ये, नायका ने मुझे ये फ्री भी दिया है. दिस इज़ सो स्वीट ऑफ देम. दीज आर थ्राइस एज नाइस बॉडी लोशन ट्रायो, नटी क्रीमी यम. आई ऑलवेज एम इन नीड ऑफ गुड मॉइस्चराइजर्स और ये काफ़ी ट्रैवल फ्रेंडली होते हैं बिकॉज मेरा ये एरिया एंड मेरे हैंड्स काफ़ी ड्राई हो जाते हैं. दिस स्मेल्स रियली नाइस बाय द वे, टू बी वेरी ऑनेस्ट. लिली मिस सनशाइन body lotion SPF 35 PA+++. I really wanted to try this, to be very honest. मैं ना सोच रही थी कि मैं इसका पूरा एक बॉटल मंगाऊंगी. This is Plum Body Lovin' Marshmallow Melt. Actually, it smells like marshmallows and a bit of chocolate. Marshmallow की स्मेल तो है इसमें, ठीक है, for sure. And थोड़ा चॉकलेट भी है and इसका कलर बहुत प्यारा है guys. Look at it. आई थिंक कैमरा में पता नहीं कैसे कैप्चर होगा या नहीं होगा. इसमें वाइट लग रहा है बट इट्स अ बिट chocolate marshmallow melt. और अब हम ट्राई करेंगे ये. They are so nice. Nykaa, I love you, man, because you have given me these things. Wow, vanilla caramello body lotion with cocoa butter. Actually, man, these are really nice. By the now, my star products. These are my star products. आप अगर मुझे जानते हैं तो you must know that I am fond of lip products. Basically, my love with makeup started with lip products because उससे पहले no makeup, nothing, just some kajal and some lip balm, ठीक है, and my moisturizer were my best friends when it came to beauty and when it came to makeup. But yes, ever since I started working, going to office, मुझे समझ में आया कि भाई लिपस्टिक नाम की भी चीज़ होती है जो बहुत अच्छी होती है. उसके बाद my love for makeup started, you know. I started falling in love with myself and makeup. These three beauties are from our very beautiful brand Laneige, whatever you want to call it, ठीक है, I call it Laneige. So yeah, Laneige, not one, not two, three, क्योंकि मेरी आत्मा सेटिस्फाई नहीं होती जब तक कि मैं ओवर बाय नहीं कर लेती, ठीक है. मुझे अगर शेड्स पसंद हैं तो मेरी आत्मा नहीं तृप्त होगी जब तक वो सारे शेड्स जो मुझे पसंद हैं वो मेरे पास ना हों, ठीक है. आई थिंक इट्स अ गर्ल थिंग. तो लड़के नहीं समझेंगे बट यार लड़कियाँ समझ जाएंगी. इफ़ यू नो व्हाट आई से एंड इफ़ यू नो व्हाट आई नो एंड इफ़ यू नो व्हाट आई मीन, प्लीज़ कमेंट एंड like, okay. Alright guys, so these are the 3 lip products from Laneige. ये इनका नया रेंज था, ये मैंने I watched them I think back when I was in Delhi, तो हो गया होगा काफ़ी टाइम, like last year. I think they were launched last year. You can do your own research on our very lovely Google. तब से मेरे को मन था कि यार ये जब इंडिया में आएंगे आई एम गोना बाय। ऑलराइट गाइस, पूरी वीडियो बनाने के बाद मुझे पता है क्या रियलाइज हुआ, 20 मिनट से मैं बोले जा रही हूँ, मैंने लाइटिंग ही नहीं ऑन करी थी बेसिकली। Yeah, this happens. Alright my people, so these are the 3 shades that I got. If they are my favorites, that means they are really good. तीनों को यार मेरा मन ही नहीं करा कि मैं इनको खोलूँ, ठीक है। पहले मैंने सोचा था कि before I open this package, I'm just gonna get ready in the mood, you know, and then show you. But then I was like, why? When I can do it like just when I want to. Why do I have to like get ready and stuff? अभी मैं कहीं जा भी नहीं रही हूँ, तो मैं बिना मतलब ready क्यों हूँ? Let's just appreciate the colors. They're so nice, so neutral. मतलब these are the colors of my soul. They represent the colors of my soul. These are so subtle, these are so calming. मतलब if I would want मेरा सारे घर का कलर, like सारा इंटीरियर मैं पूरा ऐसा कलर का कर रहा हूँ, to be very honest. So I'm not gonna throw these packagings away because I would want them जब मैं अपने घर में जाऊँगी नए कभी भी, तो I want कि मेरे घर की walls वगैरह का कलर कॉम्बिनेशन कुछ ऐसा हो, because I am a pink girl. Pink girl. The name is Laneige Glaze Craze Tinted Lip Serum. Okay, it's not a lip balm, it's a lip serum. This variant is Sugar Glaze, guys. Let me just focus. This is Sugar Glaze, okay? Can you imagine ये बैग में कितनी सेक्सी लगेगी? Like it's going to add beauty to your vanity. And just look at the tip. Donut inspired lip products, lip balms, lip serum, ठीक है। अभी तो कोई फ्रेग्रेंस नहीं आ रही है, बट देखो ये ना जिसका ये टिप है, if you see, let me just focus. Tip is just like a donut. That's something that is very attractive, and it's USP. The packaging is USP basically. It's so soft and squishy, very squishy. Get out. You just do this. और देखो प्रोडक्ट आ रहा है. Look at the color. It's so good. Literal caramelly chocolatey smell मुझे आ रही है, fragrance मुझे आ रही है इसमें. और let's just apply this. Nothing on my lips, by the way. This is the natural color of my lips, which is a bit pigmented, gray plus mauve. Let's see. Oh my god, आप देखो ये just look at the pigment. यार, although it is giving some pigment, but it is like a nude, it's like a nice nude cover up thing going on my lips, and I really like it. It works as your transparent gloss type also, so I really like it. I'm just admiring it. Okay, nice buy Arushi, I'm proud of you. So basically apparently I was not really into lip balm. Laneige के lip balms जो है वो बहुत अच्छा होता है. Laneige का skin care अच्छा होता है because my sister was very much into these products, और उस टाइम पे मैंने उसको ही देख के lip balm लिया था. Then उससे पहले मेरे पास MAC के lip balms थे जो मुझको MAC के basically makeup products के साथ फ्री मिले थे. Again like I say back in 2020, ठीक है, तो वो काफ़ी लंबे चले because I was never in the habit, but apparently आजकल मुझे प्यार हो गया है लिप बाम्स से, ठीक है. स्पेशली आफ्टर जो रोड के लिप बाम्स नहीं चले थे अभी बीच में, मैंने वैसे कभी खरीदे नहीं वो, बिकॉज दे आर टू कॉस्टली फॉर लिप प्रोडक्ट इन माई ओपिनियन एंड इन माई पर्सनल ओपिनियन एक्सपीरियंस, कि मुझे थोड़े से वो महंगे लगते हैं. मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि I can buy something like this. So it's really nice that they launched this, to be very honest, and basically inspiration somewhere, क्योंकि peptides वाले जो है ना basically सबसे पहले हेली बीवर ने स्टार्ट किए थे in my knowledge, ठीक है। तो या उसके बाद से सब पेप्टाइड्स डाल रहे हैं अपने लिप प्रोडक्ट्स में, एंड ये तो लिप सिरम है भाई, ये लिप बाम भी नहीं है, इट्स अ लिप सिरम। ओके, तो या यस गाइस, सो देखो, और इससे मेरे टीथ भी देखो कितने वाइट लगे। आई एम जस्ट गोना वाइप इट ऑफ बिकॉज आई नीड टू ट्राई अनदर वन। पता है व्हेन यू वाइप ऑफ अ प्रोडक्ट, नाउ आई स्टार्टेड फीलिंग इट एक्चुअली हर्ट्स, क्योंकि वो पूरा यूज तो निकला ही नहीं ना भाई। बट anyways, this color is आपका, this is such a, look at it first of all, the color, it's so pretty, peachy pink. I love me a shade of this lipstick. मतलब मुझे ना ऐसा perfect peachy pinky color नहीं मिला है। Like there have been different shades जिसमें peach ज़्यादा होता है, pink कम होता है, pink कम होता है, peach ज़्यादा होता है, but this is a perfect peachy color for peachy pinky lipstick color. So if any brand is watching, प्लीज़ ऐसा कुछ lip color मंगा के मुझको भी दो, and I'm gonna review that. Yeah, and name it Arushi. Just name it Arushi's lip color, something like that. Okay. Just kidding. Maybe no, maybe yes. You'll never know. Just look at this pretty packaging. This lip gloss or lip serum. Yes. This is peach glaze. Let's see how it works on my pigmented Indian lips. Let's open this again. Squishy, squishy, donutty. And yes. Look at the color, bro. This is so nice colors. Oh my god, I'm just in love. Can you see? Such a pigmented, pretty, awesome lip color. Wow. Oh my god. पता है गाइस, डिप्रेशन में हीलिंग तो करो ही करो, डिप्रेशन, सैडनेस, एंग्जाइटी, स्ट्रेस सब गायब हो जाता है जब आप अपनी पसंद की चीज़ ले लेते हो। टू बी वेरी ऑनेस्ट, वाओ, दिस इज अ नाइस शेड। आई लव मी अ गुड शेड लाइक दिस। दिस इज perfect for the days when I don't want to wear a lipstick. I want my lips to appear glossy and juicy and have a hint of color. So this is for those days. I'm so fucking proud of this purchase. पता इससे पहले पता मैं क्या करने वाली थी। इससे पहले बेसिकली मैंने ना प्रीवियस वीडियोस में भी बोला है, आई यूज़ टू यूज़ दिस नार्स का ऑर्गेज़म का लिप बाम, ठीक है। तो उसके बाद ना मुझे उसका दूसरा वेरिएंट ट्राई करना था, और वो बेसिकली एक लिप बाम आता है 2550 रुपये का विदाउट एनी डिस्काउंट्स। अभी नायका पे सेल चल रही है तो थोड़ा बहुत कम होगा, आई एम नॉट श्योर, मैंने देखा। थिंग इज़ कि जितने में मेरा एक नार्स का लिप बाम आता ना बेसिकली, उतने में मेरी सारी ऑलमोस्ट जितना भी मैंने सामान मंगाया सारा सामान आ गया। तो आई थिंक if you get something like this and also your daily essentials, so it's a good deal. Alright. So this was peach cake last, and this is a very popular one. Alright, because I think mostly because of its name. ठीक है, and all because I think mostly because of its name plus the color. This is a perfect color for Indian skin tones. ठीक है, any I believe it's going to work with every skin tone, and you can also work it up with a lip liner. Yeah, because I don't usually lip line and then apply lip gloss. I just do it right away. I have not tried that. I'm too lazy for that, to be very honest. So this is cinnamon sugar. Okay guys, cinnamon sugar. इन्होंने इतने cute catchy names रखे हैं ना. There are a lot of shades, to be very honest. मुझे ये 3 अच्छे लगे, so I got these 3 for myself. And these are the perfect shades. To be very honest, पहले I thought कि I should take one, but then I was like, no यार, I need to take 2 at least. And then I was like, यार इसको कैसे छोड़ दूँ? This is like a perfect neutral, लिप ग्लॉस, एंड टू बी वेरी ऑनेस्ट ये लंबे चलते हैं, ठीक है, ख़राब भी नहीं होते। मेरा बहुत सारे इन माय पर्सनल एक्सपीरियंस मैंने देखा है कि लिप के मतलब बियॉन्ड एक्सपिरेशन डेट भी कुछ प्रोडक्ट्स अच्छे चलते हैं. अगर now I'm not promoting anyone to use expired products, okay? This is very much based on my personal experience. मुझे ऐसी कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं हुई है मेरी स्किन. This is cinnamon sugar again, squishy. Let's just take it out, yaar. Colors, and this one I'm not gonna remove, okay? Because it pinches, and you have to just swatch it, and it just wastes away. Wow, oh my god, this color, man, look at it. It's the perfect MLBB shade, and it has covered my pigmentation like anything. And you can always build it up, right? अगर आपको sugar glaze भी build up करना है, मुझे लगता है तो आप वो भी कर सकते हो. peach glaze को भी आप build up कर सकते हो. मैंने किया नहीं था, बट या लेट मी जस्ट. और इस वाले को इतना अल्डो करने के बाद पड़ भी गया है, पर भी नहीं दिया है, काफ़ी पिगमेंटेड है ये वाला. तो oh my god, this is so good. This is so good guys. कुछ लो ना लो, बट सच में ये 3 शेड्स में से तो ज़रूर लो गाइस. कोई शेड लो ना लो, लेकिन ये देखो ये कितना पिगमेंटेड है. It is looking like a liquid lipstick, to be very honest. Like, I am super amazed. Trust me, this is the first time I'm trying it with you guys. Obviously, packaging भी तो तुम लोग के साथ ही खोली है. But look at this shine, look at this pigmentation, look at how beautiful this color is. So perfect, pinky mauvey color, suitable for Indian skin tones. Wow, and so pigmented, man. It looks like a liquid lipstick, a glossy liquid lipstick. And these are high shine, and these actually are so comfortable on your lips. Trust me, I'm speaking here from my soul as a makeup lover and a makeup enthusiast, someone who aspires to basically learn makeup, because मुझे ना बहुत basic makeup करना आता है honestly. But yaar, look at it, man. So pretty. I love it. And all of these are actually making my teeth look so good कि मेरा ऐसे बोलने का मन नहीं कर रहा. मेरा पता है कैसे बोलने का मन कर रहा. Hi guys, क्या हो? सच में ऑन कर रहा, ठीक है. तो yeah, this is so perfect. I'm not gonna take it off. This is so perfect. These are actually lip serums, and I'm so proud of myself that I went for these beauties. Yeah. यार लेकिन एक चीज़ है यार, वाइप तो करना ही पड़ेगा. चलो वो चीज़ मैं ना बाद में दिखाऊंगी, ठीक है? Because I really don't want to wipe it off, and I want to see how long it stays. Love it. Proud of my purchase. Love it. Yeah. So these are the 3 shades: sugar glaze, peach glaze, and cinnamon sugar. Yeah, yay! As a beautiful gesture, already I've shown you that they gave me plum ke saath, they gave me product. On top of it, they gave me an option to choose a surprise freebie. Nykaa products I like. They are making nice products. So yeah, this is something that I chose, and this is a full size freebie. This is their cherry custard lip glaze lip oil gift. Look at this color. I've never had such a bold lip oil color. Like, I go for neutrals like these. Okay, so this is Nykaa's lip glaze cherry custard, 7 ml of product, lip oil. I'm not gonna swatch it, maybe next time, because I'm not gonna take this off. But this is something like this. ये काफ़ी bold color लगता है, but lips पे I think it will look normal. But I'll have to swatch it and I'll show it to you in some other time, क्योंकि ये सब तो चलता ही रहेगा guys. But this is what it looks like. Very pretty red, beautiful color, reddy orangey color. I really like it. Cherry custard, nice. थोड़ा सा ना, I'll just do one thing now that I've taken this product. I'm just gonna apply it on my cheeks. So let's see how it goes. Oh yes. I think with the right makeup now you can play anywhere. There are no rules when it comes to makeup. To be very honest, there are so many products that can be used, in different ways. Like lip products can be your blush too. So much like you can do with these products, I believe. Like such a nice glowy such a nice glowy blush it has become. So yeah, I feel pretty already. So this was my Nykaa unboxing. So pretty, like so nice. Just a little bit of blush. I've not even applied kajal. Just a little bit of blush and this beautiful cinnamon sugar Laneige lip balm, lip glaze lip balm, and the right type of outfit. I've been so pretty. I like myself like this. So beautiful. So to be very honest now, what I feel is that women, that girls, should actually invest time in and efforts in looking good, because trust me, if, and I'm saying it because I'm someone who struggles with a lot of stress and anxiety and blah 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 whatever, but so it is very therapeutic when you take care of yourself, when you dress well, because this makes you feel good and you feel so confident internally. वो आपको इतना elevate कर देगा आपको confidence that you start feeling, and it is not ki, and this is, to be very honest, every girl's right to dress up good, to do makeup, to look good, to feel good. Even if, let's suppose, you are someone who's not into makeup, so you can just do minimal things, just a lip balm here and there, some kajal, because it really feels good to take care of. I was someone growing up, I was never into makeup. I used to think, to be very honest, I used to think कि लोग शादी में इतना मेकअप क्यों करते हैं, and it's a little kid in me that used to talk like that कि why do these brides dress up so much? I can just simply put a lehenga and not do any sort of makeup and just sit and do my shadi and all. But to be very honest, I would not do that. Like, I would still not go for I don't know what kind of look I would go for my wedding, but I can imagine that I am definitely going to do my makeup. I'm going to get the glow up, and not just for marriage. I want this for my entire life until I'm alive. I want to take good care of myself no matter what my age is. To be very honest, to feel beautiful, you can feel beautiful at any age. Okay? Back when I was in 20s, I used to think you can only feel good up until a certain age. 30 was my dead end. I used to be scared to be 30. I was very I used to think that my life would end at 30, but no, it doesn't work that way, bro. You glow up better. When I was in my teens, I used to think, oh my god, what's gonna happen when I will turn 21? It was such a huge deal in my head. But when I turned 21, because I was really scared to get out of my teens, because you enjoy a lot in your teenage years, whatever emotions you have, that's a phase. And to be very honest, growing up is also very beautiful, and I'm not just saying it to just say it, I'm feeling it, because to be very honest, I was someone who was very conscious. Few years ago, I was very age conscious, but now I am embracing myself at any age. To be very honest, I feel beautiful at this stage of my life. Now you can guess my age in comments and then I can reply to you, but whatever. But yeah, this is something that I wanted to share. So yeah, this is my beauty talk. I'm just gonna end my beauty talk right here, right now. And so I take a lot of care in selecting my bed sheets, my pillow covers. I love that. I love me a good home decor. And I'm someone who loves keeping the energy fresh and new. These are my new bed sheets. I'm not opening them. This pinky bed sheet with flowers. This is sea green kind of thing, grayish green, whatever thing, green base. So I really like it. Matlab, I love, like, ever since I have gotten my bed and ever since you know, like, I have gotten my space, I want to keep it as beautiful, pretty, aesthetic, just like my vibe. So this is my pink pillow covers. All the stuff is from Amazon. Let me know if you want me to suggest you good bed sheets and I can give you a brand. But you need to comment and subscribe for that. Yes, this is my beige pillow covers. These are my black pillow covers. Black goes with literally everything. So yeah, that's why I just got them. Because why not? Black is the color of my soul. Kidding guys, I have a very pink heart. ये देखो लनेश ने मेरे को क्या दिया यार, because I got 3 lip balms, so obviously, so I think they are so cute. They're so cute and considerate, because this is a donut range, right? This is such a pretty charm, key ring charm, phone. This would work as a really nice key charm, hand charm, phone charm, whatever charm, wherever you want to, bag charm. So this is so pretty. Look at this. Such pretty little things that I enjoy in life. Yeah. I love it. I might know where I'm gonna use it, but let's see. This is the last thing that I got from Amazon. ठीक है? Amazon से मैंने ये लिया है. This is very important. ठीक है, this is like this is something that I've been wanting to get from a long time. This is like a storage thing going on. Once I set it up, I will show you a picture कि ये किस तरीके का लगता है. ठीक है, so it's like a storage thing which is very trendy right now and cost effective also. So this is something that I got for stuff जो बहुत ज़्यादा ना, मेरे अभी ये पीछे की स्पेस देख रहे हो आप, यहाँ पे बहुत सारा स्टफ़ ऐसे ही पड़ा हुआ है. तो आई थिंक दैट वो ऐसे नहीं पड़ा होना चाहिए, because it looks messy. So I have got this for that only and I'm going to use it. So that will be all, and these are the products that I bought with my money. And there is one more thing that I bought that I'm gonna keep it as a surprise, so stay tuned for that. Like, comment, subscribe, share if you want, but yes, subscribe guys, free of cost, and you become a member of my community and I am happy to have you. Love you all. Mwah.